Oh my goodness, hanging clothes is such a problem in the buildings nowadays. Let's look at it in great detail. How am I going to hang clothes? Follow me to understand this better.
Methods of drying clothes. Drying clothes is the biggest hassle nowadays, especially in the skyscrapers where they just don't allow you to dry clothes outside. We as Indians love to air dry our clothes rather than use the drying machine. So conventionally, for sure, if there is just no other option, then you have to use the dryer. Nowadays, you get dryers and washing machines together, so it just helps you to easily, dry the clothes and wash the clothes in a single machine instead of occupying two machines. After you do this, you definitely need to air dry your clothes further. Just leave them out in the open so that if there is any kind of moisture left inside, it all evaporates. This is the first method. The second method is if you want to dry your undergarments or your towels, then here is the method that you can use. All this requires is one plug connection. You have one plug connection and you can put your clothes dry on this and it will dry in no time. The third and the most conventional method is when people dry their clothes on rods. Now, one is a rod where you just are restricted to your windows. The second option is that you do the pulley method, wherein the pulley it is put at two ends. So even if you have a small window and supposing you can take the clothes right to the end, you get another pulley nailed at the other end, and then you pass two ropes on both sides. So you keep hanging your clothes and pulling the pulley. That way you can arrange double the amount of clothes. This is the method third. The fourth method is if you have a utility area, you can always dry your clothes up in the ceiling. So sometimes it's difficult to reach the top, so you get mechanized rods where you can pull them down with the help of a remote control, and then just dry your clothes on it and pull it back up. There are also some rope systems where you can pull the pulley down with the help of ropes and dry your clothes and put this up. These are some nice methods that one can incorporate in your home to dry clothes. Kindly try them and let me know what you think about it.